Hello 6th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the lesson natural numbers and whole numbers, and we have understood the properties of multiplication. So first it is a commutative property, means two numbers if they are multiplied in either order the answer will be the same. Second was the associative property, that means more than two numbers in any way rearrange and you multiply, the answer remains the same. Now coming to the third one, this is called as distributive property. So other properties, that is when you multiply a whole number by 1, the answer will be the same, the number itself. And when you multiply by the whole number by 0, the answer will be 0. But when you multiplication, there are three important properties. First is commutative, second is associative, and third it is distributive. Now what is distributive property? So here 3 into 5 plus 4 is equal to 3 into 5 plus 3 into 4. This is distributive property for addition, of multiplication over addition, because in between it is plus. Now the second one is 3 into 5 minus 1, means 3 into 5 minus, because here it is minus, 3 into 1. This is the distributive property of multiplication over subtraction. Okay. So here what is the rule? 3 is common for both the numbers, whatever they are inside the bracket. So 3 is common for 5 and for 4. That is why 3 into 5 plus 3 into 4. 3 into 5 minus 3 into 1. Now apply this property for the sums. In the sums, how? Multiply 172 into 97. Now you see 97, any numbers which are near to 10, 100, 1000, they can be either added or subtracted, and it will be easy for you to solve. So now you see 97 is near to 100, isn't it? So this number can be written as 172 into 97 can be written as 172 into 100 minus 3. Yes or no? 97 को हम 100 minus 3 लिख सकते हैं, है ना? अभी इधर का रूल यूज करो. That means 172 into 100, put it within the bracket, the minus 172 into 3. Now, anything multiply by 100, so number itself and put 2 zeros, isn't it? Minus 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 4, 5. Now 0 minus 6 means 10 minus 6 is 4. Now here 9 is remaining. 9 minus 1 is 8. Now here it is 1. 1 minus 5, not possible. So 11 minus 5 is 6. Now here it will be only 6 because we have taken borrowed. So now it is 6 and now 1. So here onwards you have to understand how to add and subtract in the horizontal way. Ones, tens, tens, hundreds, hundreds, then thousand, 10,000. And in subtraction, whenever borrowing is there, so you have to be careful. Is it okay? So every time you can't do the calculation on the rough work side and all. Rough work don't do directly. Try to follow this method. Practice. Okay. Now coming to the second sum, that is example 8. 569 into 45 plus 569 into 55. So write the question. 569 into 45 plus 569 into 55. Now this is the reverse. 569 is common in both. देखो याद रखो, कॉमन इधर मल्टीप्लिकेशन है और इधर बीच में प्लस और माइनस आएगा. ठीक है. So 569 is common. So underline that and now take it out. जो कॉमन है उसको बाहर ले लो, मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन डालो, ब्रैकेट ओपन करो. इधर बचा क्या है 45 और इधर साइन क्या है प्लस. इसमें 569 को बाहर लिए तो क्या बचा 55 और ब्रैकेट क्लोज. समझ में आ गए. तो पहले आइडेंटिफाई करो दोनों में क्या कॉमन है. अंडरलाइन करो, उसको बाहर लिखो और मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन डालो, ब्रैकेट ओपन करो. जो अनकॉमन है, जो बचा है दैट इज 45 लिखो. इधर साइन प्लस है, प्लस डालो. इधर जो बचा है बाहर जो निकाला 569, जो बचा है 55, उसको लिखो ब्रैकेट क्लोज. And now 569 into 5, this you have to add. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. So anything multiply by 100. 569 and 2 zeros. So easy now. Using the properties here also. अदरवाइज 172 इंटू 97 इतना लंबा चौड़ा आप लोगों को मल्टीप्लाई करने का है तो इधर तो इजीली हो गया. इधर भी ये मल्टीप्लाई करो, ये मल्टीप्लाई करो, फिर ऐड करो. नहीं, डायरेक्ट है ना. इतना इजीली सॉल्व किए. नाउ कमिंग टू द एग्जाम्पल 9. इट इज 361 इंटू 162 माइनस 361 into 60 minus 2 into 361. अभी इसमें से कॉमन क्या है, इधर माइनस है, इधर माइनस है, मतलब ये एक ग्रुप है, एक ग्रुप है, एक. तो तीन ग्रुप है, तीनों में 361 कॉमन है. Yes or no? So in 3 groups we have got 361 as a common one. Take it out. Put multiplication sign. Put the bracket. 162 is remaining in the first one. Here 60 is remaining but the sign is minus 60. Now put the sign minus and in this group 2 is remaining. Right. Now it will be 361 into. Now 362 minus 60. How much it will be? It is 2 minus 0, 2, 6 minus 6, 0, 1 minus 2. 361 into 102 minus 2 is 100. So the answer will be 361, 0, 0. Here you can do directly. I have done in 2 steps, otherwise directly you can do. 60 minus 60 minus 2 will be minus 62 and 162 minus 162 will be 100. Okay. Hope you understood all the examples. Distributive property. Now coming to the worksheet 5. Worksheet 5, first is the fill in the blanks. Use the following blanks, fill in the blanks by using different properties of a multiplication. Now first, 52 into 63 plus 37. Distributive property over addition, isn't it? So 52 into first number is 63 plus 52 into 37. So here we will put 52. Yes or no? Hope you are understanding. Okay, now coming to the question number B. 297 into dash plus 43. So on the right hand side, 297 into 88. So here it will be 88 plus 297 into 43. तो प्रॉपर्टी याद रखो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी, उसको इधर अप्लाई करने का है ना. Dash into 84 plus 16. Now 36 into 84 plus 36 into dash. So common क्या है? 36. So here it will be 36. Now 36 into 84 दिया है plus 36 into 16. Clear? Now coming to the question number D. It is 218 into 94 is equal to 218 into dash minus 218 into 6. Now this type of sum we have done in the example. 94 can be written as 100 minus 6. Yes or no? 94 can be written as 100 minus 6. So that means 218 into 100 minus 218 into 6. तो इधर 218 minus 218 into 6, इधर minus, तो 218 into क्या आएगा? 100. ठीक है? Now coming to the question number E. Now this sum is little bit tricky. Okay. Now 778 into 994. Here it is given 1000 minus 778 into dash minus 778. Okay. First we will see 994. 994 can be written as 778 into 1000 minus 6. Yes or no? 1000 minus 6. But here it is written as 778 into 1000 minus 778 into dash minus 778 मतलब क्या है? इंटू कुछ नहीं दिया है, but it will be 1. See, remember, whenever into, here into 1000 is given, into something is given, but here into nothing is given. That means into 1. Because when you multiply the number by 1, the answer remains the same. So this you have to understand. Now, here it is 1, here it is 1000, but here it is nothing. So, you know already 1000 minus 6. So, 1000 minus 6 is 994. लेकिन इधर 1 already है. 1 plus how much is 6? 1 plus 5 is 6. So, the answer is what? 778 minus into the 5 is the answer. Understood why? 1000 minus 6 is 994. But you can't put 6 here because it is a 7, 7, 8. Again it is given. That means into 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. Minus 5 minus 1 becomes minus 6. So that is why 1000 minus 6 can be written as 1000. So here you can write 1000 minus 5 minus 1. That is why minus 5 minus 1. Okay? Hope everyone understood. The question number E. Why we are putting 5? You have to remember. Otherwise, if it were not there, it would have been 6. But minus 778 is there. That is why here we have to put one number less. So we have completed the worksheet 5, question number 1. Hope everyone understood the distributive property up to here. Because worksheet 5 is depending upon that property itself. Okay? Bye. Thank you.